The world's greatest entrepreneurs don't just wait for the future, they architect it. It begins with a vision so vivid, you can almost touch it. A future defined by success, impact, and fulfillment. That's where the magic of a vision board comes in. It's more than just a craft project, it's a powerful visual tool, a personal roadmap of images and affirmations that transforms your deepest desires into a tangible reality. Today, we're building the blueprint for your aspirations. Have you ever dreamt of a future so vivid, you could almost touch it? A future filled with success, joy, and fulfillment? That's where the magic of a vision board comes in. Simply put, a vision board is a powerful visual tool, a collage of images, words, and affirmations that represents your dreams, goals, and ideal life. It's more than just a craft project, it's a tangible representation of your deepest desires, a personal roadmap to your aspirations. The core purpose of a vision board is to serve as a constant source of inspiration and motivation. In our busy lives, it's easy to lose sight of our long-term goals. Your vision board acts as a daily reminder, keeping your aspirations at the forefront of your mind. It helps you clarify what you truly want, bringing focus and intention to your journey. So, why dedicate your time to creating one? Firstly, it helps you visualize your goals with incredible clarity. When you see your dreams manifested visually, they become more real, more attainable. Secondly, it's an incredible boost to your motivation. On days when your resolve wavers, a glance at your board can rekindle your passion and remind you why you started. Thirdly, it aligns your thoughts and intentions, helping you to focus your energy on what truly matters. This focused energy, in turn, helps create a powerful positive energy around your aspirations, drawing opportunities and experiences towards you. What goes into a vision board? The beauty is, it's entirely yours. The main components typically include images or pictures that vividly represent your goals, dreams, and aspirations. These could be anything from a picture of your dream home to a symbol of a healthier lifestyle. Next, you'll want inspirational quotes and affirmations that resonate with your spirit and encourage positive self-talk. Many people also organize their boards into goal categories like career success, health and wellness, personal growth, meaningful relationships, or financial abundance. And finally, don't forget that personal touch, anything that uniquely connects you to your vision, making it truly yours. Ready to create your own? Here are the simple steps. First, identify your goals. Take time to truly reflect on what you want in every area of your life. What makes you feel alive? Next, gather your materials. This could include magazines, printed images, photographs, inspiring words, glue, scissors, and a poster board or corkboard. Then, the fun part, arrange and paste. Let your creativity flow as you place your visuals in a way that feels inspiring and meaningful to you. Finally, display your vision board in a place where you'll see it daily, and most importantly, review it regularly. Engage with your board, visualize your success, and adjust it as your dreams evolve. The benefits of a vision board are profound. It enhances clarity, boosts confidence, attracts opportunities, and keeps you consistently focused on your aspirations. It transforms abstract desires into actionable intentions. By regularly engaging with your vision board, you're not just dreaming, you're actively programming your mind for success and cultivating an unwavering belief in your ability to achieve your goals. Start creating yours today, and watch your dreams take flight. Entrepreneurs don't just wait for the future, they architect it. Put your vision on the wall and turn your one day into day one.